Hello guys, welcome out to our video. Today we're going to show you some new products we have to replace the add-on accessories due to the fact of add-on closing down. So let's go. Okay guys, first of all we're going to have a look at the cornering light grill for the GL1500. Now with a lot of these products are getting hard to come by with add-on accessories after closing down. But thankfully we're after finding a new supplier that can actually supply us with these parts. So hopefully we'll have them for a good while to come. So these are quite simple and straightforward. And they just screw onto the cornering lights. So that's them, and they are available on our site. And with all these products we will put links down below to each of these. Now that's the cornering light grill for the 1500. The chrome front fender covers, again this was an add-on accessory part, has been available for a while, but we're after getting them in. And again the installation is very simple, as you probably know. Just stick them on, and you also get a pack of 2 new grommets to go with it, hopefully, so they won't fall off again. And again they're all for the 1500. Now next we have the chrome side covers. They were out of stock for a good bit of time, but again, thankfully we're able to get them. They're well wrapped up anyway, I'll tell you that much. So that's the chrome side cover. Now they don't come with grommets, so if you don't have a set, don't forget to order some, because be advisable to change the grommets afterwards. Then we have the carburetor covers. And with all these parts, they're all just, they held in with grommets, that's all. They're very simple to install them. Only takes a couple of minutes. So that's the carburetor covers. Ring of fire for the GL1500. These are the tri-coloured ones. A little pack of screws, and again they have been available for a while, but again, as I said, everything here is available on our site at www.shinywing.com, and as I said, we'll have a link for all these products down in the description. So I hope this has been of some help to you and of some use, and hope to see you again on the next video. Goodbye.
With